Are you stuck in your 9-to-5 grind, feeling like there's more out there for you? What if I told you that your evenings and weekends could be the launch pad for your dreams? The question is, are you willing to put in the work while others are binge-watching Netflix? Side hustle. Number 1. E-commerce. E-commerce is one of the easiest and most popular ways to start a side hustle. It allows you to sell products online without the need for a physical store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon make it simple to set up your own online shop. You can sell almost anything, from handmade crafts to trending gadgets. The best part? You can run this business from home and work on it in your free time. Gary Vaynerchuk often emphasizes starting small. Focus on a specific product niche and build from there. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you can sell workout gear or supplements. Success in e-commerce comes from consistency, good customer service, and effective marketing. With time, your side hustle could grow into a full-fledged business. Just remember, it all starts with taking that first step. Side hustle number 2. Social media. Influencer. Becoming a social media influencer is a great side hustle for those who enjoy creating content and connecting with people online. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube let you share your interests, whether it's fashion, fitness, cooking, or anything else. Gary Vaynerchuk often highlights the importance of authenticity. Be yourself and focus on building real relationships with your audience. Start by posting consistently and engaging with your followers. You don't need thousands of followers to start. Micro-influencers with small but loyal audiences often get noticed by brands. Over time, you can partner with companies, promote products, or even create your own. The key is to focus on adding value and being genuine in your content. Remember, every big influencer started with 0 followers, so take that first step and keep going. Side hustle. Number 3. Freelancing. Writing, graphic design, etc. Freelancing is a flexible and rewarding side hustle where you can offer your skills to clients online. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, video editing, or even coding, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find work. Gary Vaynerchuk often talks about using what you already know to create opportunities. If you're already skilled in something, why not turn it into extra income? Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms and choose projects that match your interests. Start by building a simple portfolio to show off your work. Even 1 or 2 small projects can help you get started. Over time, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can charge more and work with bigger clients. Freelancing is all about delivering quality and meeting deadlines, so give it your best effort. Side hustle. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a simple and low-cost side hustle that lets you sell products online without keeping any inventory. With dropshipping, you set up an online store and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. This means you don't need to worry about storage or shipping. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to get started. Gary Vaynerchuk often advises focusing on finding unique products that people are excited to buy. Start by choosing a specific niche, like home gadgets or fitness gear, and use social media to promote your store. The best part about dropshipping is that you can do it in your spare time, even if you have a full-time job. Success comes from good marketing and excellent customer service. Take small steps, test your ideas, and learn as you go. Dropshipping can grow into a steady source of income if done right. Side hustle. Number 5. Content creation. Blogging, podcasting, YouTube. Content creation is a fun and creative side hustle where you can share your knowledge or passion with the world. You can start a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel on topics you love, like travel, cooking, or personal development. Gary Vaynerchuk often stresses the importance of just starting, even if your setup isn't perfect. The key is to create content consistently and provide value to your audience. Blogging can help you earn through ads or affiliate links, while podcasts and YouTube channels can generate income from sponsorships and views. The best part is that content creation allows you to work on your own schedule and grow your side hustle over time. It may take patience, but with effort, you can turn your passion into a steady source of income. Start small, stay authentic, and focus on connecting with your audience. Side hustle. Number 6. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is a smart side hustle that can help you build wealth over time. It involves buying properties to rent out or sell for a profit. You can start small by investing in a single rental property or even a fixer-upper that you can renovate and sell. Gary Vaynerchuk often highlights the importance of patience and research when it comes to real estate. Learn about the market, look for good deals, and always run the numbers to ensure you're making a smart investment. If buying a property feels overwhelming, you can start with options like real estate crowdfunding platforms. The best part is that real estate can provide a steady income through rent while the property's value increases over time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and a long-term mindset, it can become a great source of financial security. Side hustle. Number 7. Consulting or coaching. Consulting or coaching is a side hustle where you use your knowledge and experience to help others succeed. If you're skilled in areas like business, marketing, fitness, or personal development, you can offer guidance to people who need it. Gary Vaynerchuk often talks about the value of sharing what you know and helping others grow. To get started, identify your expertise and create a simple plan to offer your services. You can promote yourself through social media or join platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. Start by offering free or low-cost sessions to build your reputation and gain testimonials. As you gain experience, you can charge more and expand your reach. Coaching not only allows you to make money, but also lets you make a positive impact on others. It's a fulfilling side hustle that can grow into a full-time business with consistent effort. Side hustle. Number 8. Stock market investing or trading. Stock market investing or trading is a side hustle where you put your money into stocks and aim to grow it over time. It's a great way to build wealth if you're willing to learn and stay patient. Gary Vaynerchuk often emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking and being smart with your investments. Start by understanding the basics of the stock market and researching companies before investing. You can begin with a small amount and gradually invest more as you gain confidence. There are many tools and apps like Robinhood or E-Trade that make it easy to get started. If you're interested in faster results, trading stocks could be an option, but it requires more time and knowledge. Always remember to invest only what you can afford to lose. With time, patience, and the right strategy, this side hustle can bring steady financial rewards. Side hustle. Number 9. Creating and selling online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic side hustle if you're knowledgeable about a specific topic. Whether it's cooking, photography, marketing, or any other skill, you can teach others through online platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Gary Vaynerchuk often encourages sharing your expertise and creating value for others. Start by identifying a topic you're passionate about and know well. Then break it into easy-to-understand lessons. You don't need fancy equipment to begin. Just a smartphone or laptop can work. Focus on making your course engaging and practical so that learners get real benefits. Once your course is live, you can earn passive income as more people enroll. The best part is that online courses can reach a global audience, giving you unlimited potential to grow. It's a rewarding way to make money while helping others learn and succeed. Side hustle. Number 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple and effective side hustle where you earn money by promoting products or services. You share a special link, and every time someone buys through it, you earn a commission. Gary Vaynerchuk often highlights the power of building trust with your audience. To start, choose products or brands you genuinely like and align with your interests. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share your affiliate links through blogs, social media posts, or YouTube videos. The more helpful and authentic your content, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create or store products. With consistent effort and creativity, it can become a steady source of passive income over time. Start small, keep learning, and watch your earnings grow as your audience expands. Don't miss out on more tips to grow your hustle. Hit that subscribe button now and stay inspired. Let's build your dream, one step at a time.